Ready para el bote.
Hello. Hermosa surprise. Thank you.
Welcome, friends. Una vueltita. Winter Park, Florida. Boat tour. Lindo lugar, ¿eh? Buen día. Estos son los botecitos que te hacen los tours. Unos pum pum. Scenic View. Una tortuguita.
So you all see the ski jump in front of us. Well, we always go over that ski jump on our boat tours. But look at it, they got it shut down. Please wave at our little gator friend right there. I'm pointing at him right there. I'm pointing at him. And look at his mouth. What is that gator gonna squirt? What's a gator gonna squirt? No, it's a gator. What is a gator squirt?
There we go.
Gator, yeah, of course. It only gets worse. So this is Lake Virginia, named after the state of Virginia. Second largest lake in the chain. And happens to be the home of Rollins College over there. And look at the steeple of Knowles Chapel coming into view, sort of the center point of the campus. The house, and they build a mansion and just ended up two of them living in it. That's a snakebird, by the way, the most common duck on the lake. So this is the Venetian Canal in front of us, and the Venetian Canal is the longest canal, and just look at it. The canal goes like this. So we've given it the nickname the Zigzag Canal. So don't be surprised if we happen to rub up against the side of the canal on occasion. And right there in the backyard, right there, was a huge live oak tree. But 6 years ago, Hurricane Irma came along, blew it over, and it came crashing down right across the canal in front of us. Right here. And it blocked the canal for over 2 weeks until they could get it chopped up and taken out of here. Oh, by the way, in case you were wondering, this is a two-way canal. But you know, we think this canal sort of represents life in general. You never know what's around the next bend coming straight at you. And this is the Palmer Avenue Bridge. Some of you might have to duck. Some of you might not need to duck. I hope you know in which group you're in. Well, good. Nobody said ouch. At least not yet. When a park's any boat, of course. So have any of you done this boat ride before, anybody?